USihlalo weKomidi elibhekele ukweluleka ithimba longqongqoshe elilwa nobhubhane lwesifo iCovid-19 uSolwazi uSalim Abdul Karim umncome kakhulu uHulumeni wakulelizwe ngendlela abhekana ngayo nalesifo. Uthi sonke lisehle ngaphezulu leligciwane ngoba akekho obekulungele ukubhekana nalo. uSolwazi uKarim bebambe isithangami sokucobelelana ngolwazi oluthinta lolu bhubhane lwesifo namhlanje kanti ubexhumene bukhoma ngeSkype nohlelo lwesidlo sasekuseni iMorning Live.
We really were not ready for a virus like this. And the reality is actually no one was ready.
uSolwazi uKarim uthi iNingizimu Afrika ayikaphunyuka inhlobo kulolu gibe usemningi umsebenzi okusamele wenziwe.
We have not escaped this bullet. We simply have postponed it. I take the view that it's inevitable.
uSolwazi uqhubeka uthi lesifo akumele sithathwe kancane ngoba wonke umuntu la eNingizimu Afrika usengcupheni.
Everyone is at risk. And so you have to treat it like that. You have to treat it as a condition that everyone's at risk. Everyone potentially is going to get infected. And you need to put in place measures that deal with that kind of approach.
uSolwazi uKarim ulincome kakhulu ithimba elibhekene nomsebenzi wokulwa nalesifo.
They didn't need to be convinced that they didn't need, and they didn't waffle around. They didn't procrastinate. They were decisive. They made decisions. They take the consequences of those decisions.
Sikhula ngamandla isibalo sabantu asebehaqwe lolu bhubhane la eNingizimu Afrika njengoba sebeyizinkulungwane ezimbili ama-65 abantu asebethelelekile njengoba sekuhlolwe abantu abawu-95,060 kanti bangama-48 abantu asebenqotshwe lolu bhubhane. Ikhona ke inhlansi yethembe lokuzayo njengoba kunabantu abacele enkulungwaneni okubikwa ukuthi sebeluleme namanje uHulumeni usasinxusa ukuthi sihlale emakhaya silandele yonke imithetho ye-lockdown. Uma udinga usizo thumela uWhatsApp enombolweni yamahala yomnyango wezempilo ethi 0600 123 456 noma ushayela isikhungo iNICD enombolweni yamahala ethi 0800 029 999. nguCalvin Dludla weindaba ze-SABC.